Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm giving you another house tour. Just kidding, but it is a houseboat tour. We are at the Cove Riverwalk Villas in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'm obsessed with these houseboats. So come on in and let me give you guys a tour. So when you first come in, you'll see this is the first floor. So we are staying at the Anchored Villa. I just love this place. As soon as we walked in, I felt like home, and that's what I'm looking for. So this is the living space, number one. Then you have a little dining area down here where you can eat breakfast, have some coffee, things like that. Super cute. If you come over here, you have some bar stools so you can entertain. This place has 2 bedrooms, so I'm pretty sure you can probably sleep 4 people here. But yeah, it's perfect for entertaining. This kitchen is so cute. I just feel like it's, you know, almost like a new build. When we came in, I was telling Chris, it smelled like just like a brand new home. Like, it's very, very clean. You get a fully stocked kitchen with everything that you'll need. So in this villa specifically, you have your plates and stuff on this side, some glasses, toasters, things like that. Updated appliances, which is always super, super nice. I just feel like it's a perfect place to come for like a staycation if you're from the area, or even like a weekend getaway for people that live maybe a few hours away from Wilmington, or even just a vacation if you're planning to visit North Carolina. And then down here, you have some more pots and pans, and right above that, fully stacked silverware, extra batteries, all the things that you'll need. So it really equips you to feel at home. And then for the coffee drinkers, here you go for some coffee. Okay, so after leaving the main living area in the bottom floor kitchen, this is bedroom number 1. Then you also have an entry doorway to your balcony. And with this bedroom also comes a full bath, as well as your washer and dryer. So like I said, perfect for when you're staying, even if you're doing a weekend stay, but especially for longer stays and you want to do laundry. Updated appliances. I was really impressed by like how neat and everything was as soon as we came in. Like I said, it smelled just super clean, super fresh. So that's a great sign, especially if you're booking things on Airbnb. This is definitely a community that is upkept like a hotel would be. All right, so let's head upstairs. All right, and so this is the second floor. Like I said, you get pretty much 2 living spaces. So this is the upstairs living space. Again, you get another smart TV and a little working area so that you can do work if you do decide to, you know, work from here or just journal, things like that. So although this is obviously a perfect place for you to kind of come, unwind, relax, it's also great, I would say, if you work remotely like I do and you want to change up your scenery, change up your environment and work from somewhere else, because this literally feels like another home. So that's what I'm doing this week, and I'm super excited to be able to change up my scenery, still get work done, but feel like I am, you know, in a different location and on vacation. And then also one of my favorite parts of this villa is the upstairs, or the level 2 balcony. You also have seating space, but you also have dining space, and there is a sink, countertop space so that you can entertain, cook, do some things, and eat out here as well. also at the top of the steps, you do have some additional linen closet space. But at the top, this is bedroom number 2, so technically kind of like the main or master. And you get a king bed and a smart TV, nightstands, and a dresser. And also this closet space was really spacious. You'll see it kind of goes all the way down this way. So last but not least is the second bathroom that's upstairs, and I was smiling ear to ear when I came in here because it's definitely fit for somebody like me. You got a nice big mirror to work with, and I love a good walk-in shower, so love it. Honestly, they did a very, very good job with this houseboat community. It's super modern, it's super cute, fresh and clean, and I love the location too. You're right next to the convention center, so you're not too far from downtown Wilmington and a lot of other activities and restaurants and things like that. So we'll be checking that out. But yeah, that is the full houseboat tour, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Overall, we're giving it a 10 out of 10. I don't feel like it's gonna be too rocky. We'll see tonight if we start feeling any motion. But overall, like, this is the perfect place to stay. I was telling Chris, I was like, I feel like I need to invest in a community like this, because even when we were walking by, so many people were like looking, and I was like, we're gonna stay there. So yeah, it's definitely a community that you need to check out. It's a unique stay, and I am loving it so far. So give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, comment down below if you would stay here or if you have any questions. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.